Hey guys, it's Robert from TallguysRC coming at you at the YouTube network. I thought I'd do another unboxing video today. I decided a couple weeks ago to do more long form videos, so unboxing new products and stuff like that is a good way for me to do long form videos. So I got a box here from my friends at Twisted Hobbies, so let's open the box and show you what's inside. I hope everybody's having a great week. The weather out here in California is pretty crappy. It's windy and gusty and not good flying weather, but it's good building weather. So I thought I would order a kit from my friends at Twisted Hobbies. I love their planes, their 3D planes. And let me show you the one that I ordered here. Dun, dun, dun. I love how Twisted Hobbies ships their stuff. They really pack their stuff good in their shipping containers, in their boxes. So guys, this is the plane that I ordered, the Cap 10. Hey guys, the plane I ordered is the Cap 10. This is a fully EPP construction 3D foam plane from RC Factory, and I bought it through my friends at Twisted Hobbies. Plane has a wingspan of 810 millimeters or 32 inches. I also ordered one of the 6-channel DSM2 receivers to go with my Spectrum NX8 radio. I also grabbed the power pack, which gives me 3 digital servos, a 15 amp ESC, the Crack Series Pro 2305 1500 kV motor, everything I need to put the plane together. So let's open the box and show you what's in actually the kit. Also picked up some of the recommended 9047 slow fly props to go with this plane. This plane will be flying on a 2-cell, either a 350 or a 450 battery. It should give me great flight performance. So let's open up actually the kit itself and show you what's in the box. If you've never built a Twisted Hobby plane, I recommend them. Their 3D planes and their EP kits are honestly probably some of the best in the industry. They build pretty quick. They build nice, straight and true. They're, in my opinion, easy to put together. Probably takes about 4 hours to build a plane, but they are some of the best quality EPP 3D foam planes that you can buy for your dollar. They fly amazing, and if you're learning how to fly 3D, this is a good way to get into the hobby. These planes are really, really tough, so when you're learning, if you crash or things like that, easy to repair. They're very, very tough. So let's open the box and show you what's inside. So I ordered the red kit. So these are your wings. Let's see here. Wings. Top of the fuse. Love their paint jobs and their schemes. They're, as I said before, their eye for detail is amazing. I love the quality of the kits and the way they look and their paint jobs. The rudder, the elevator here, fuse, the bottom of the fuse. This kit actually comes with landing gear, so you have your wheel pants, all the hardware, And they do give you a carbon landing gear, so that's cool. They give you that. This will be all your hardware, your linkages, your control horns, things like that, for your servos and all that. They give you that. The little plywood wing spar to stiffen up the wings. And then these will be your side braces, so when you're putting the fuselage together, this holds everything in place. So again, guys, that's the first look at the Cap 10 from my friends at Twisted Hobbies. The next video you will see is I'll do a build video here. I might just do it as a time lapse because no one wants to sit here and watch like a 4-hour video of how to put a plane together. So what I might end up doing is just do it as a time lapse. Guys, look at the crazy amount of aileron surface on these wings. This is going to give me some crazy deflection to be able to do rolls and spins and things like that. Guys, again, thanks for watching this unboxing video. I do also recommend that you download the manual from Twisted Hobbies. It is full of tons of information that shows you how to build this kit. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor and hit that subscription button. Also, check the little bell notification. That way when I upload the next video in this series, you will be notified. Hey guys, thanks for watching. More coming soon. Thanks very much. Have a great week.